Have you heard of low force adjusting? Chances are probably not, and here's why. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Loharan. I'm a board-certified upper cervical chiropractor. That means I specialize in treating headaches, neck pain, dizziness, or any other symptoms that come from a head and neck misalignment. And I used to be a traditional manual adjuster before I switched over to low force techniques. So this is why I think most people haven't heard of low force adjusting. Ready for it? It's because low force adjusting is not sexy. You've probably seen those videos out there where chiropractors attach mics to their patients before they adjust them so that they can capture that crack effect. And there's something really satisfying about those videos. I can't really explain why, but there are tons of videos out there that satisfy this crack addiction. I mean, the first search that you get when you type chiropractor into YouTube is chiropractor crack compilation. So why haven't you heard of low force techniques? Because frankly, it's really boring to watch. That's it. In our office, we click you instead of crack you. So an adjustment looks like this. Or this. Or this. So really, I don't blame you for not knowing what low force techniques are, or for thinking that all chiropractic looks a certain way. But I'm here to tell you that we are out here too. And here's some of the reasons why our office chooses to do low force techniques over the manual adjustment. First, low force techniques are a gentle way to move bones into proper alignment. Trust me, we've had many skeptics walk through the doors of our clinic and they couldn't believe that this could replace a manual adjustment. But here's how it works. This adjusting tool delivers a high velocity, low amplitude force. But this force is delivered through a small adjusting tip. It's very precise, instead of through the hands. And this adjusting tool can deliver a force 10 times faster than your muscles can contract, which means the patient has no time to guard before the adjustment is delivered. Second, low force adjusting is safe for people of all ages, from babies to your osteoporotic grandma. And third, low force adjusting is better for our style of practice here at Anatomy Chiropractic. You can expect the same adjustment from myself or Dr. Kathirson or any other doctor that we may hire in the future, because we can adjust how much force is delivered dependent on different areas of the body. And you can expect the same type of adjustment from me visit to visit because of that reproducibility. So in summary, low force chiropractors exist, but we just aren't mainstream because it's not entertaining to watch somebody get adjusted unless the chiropractor does something like this. So what'd you guys think? Did you learn something new today? Are you excited to try a new style of chiropractic? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. I had a lot of fun making this video. If you found it entertaining or you learned something, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my page so that you don't miss out on any other videos in the future. And if you live in the San Diego area and you're wanting to try out a low force chiropractor, look up Anatomy Chiropractic. Until next time, I will see you guys later.